Okay. First of all, I apologise. Some of this footage is corrupt, some of it's scratchy, but I couldn't miss it out because it's a part of the build. I'd like to thank Midnight Development for all their help. I had to cut so much out, and I'm sorry, boys. I didn't want to miss the video, but at the same time, the quality is up and down. I'm sorry to everyone. Yeah, buddy. I'm watching you. Them engine mounts are pretty savage, not gonna lie. Oh, that's loud roaring. This is the first drive in months and months. So, this is brilliant. It's a bit loud. The engine mounts feel pretty savage, but they're not too bad as long as they do the job. You have to ignore the mess in the car if you can see it. You know what I mean? You've got to have all that. You've got to have all that just in case on you. Car's fully insured on the road. Looks a bit questionable with my paint options, but we'll get to that. Civic turbo's running. I wish I could keep that noise, you know. Just hear the turbo. Question is, will Shazzy be here? Only time will tell. Is Shazzy awake? Ah, he's awake. Have a look if there's any damage. Look at all these race cars. Right, bro. Is he awake? Ah, he's fucking didn't make it. What a wetter. Says he's sleeping, yeah? Look at all of this. Oh. You can see why I've got a Honda now, can't you? Radiator's not melted, is it? What are you talking about, brother? No leaks, it looks like it's done okay. I don't know how this mic setup is going to be. It might not work at all, but we're going to try over. Looks like Shazzy didn't keep to his part of the deal. Still in bed. Luckily, we've got Wayne here to let us in. Get some breakfast, shall we? Walking out with a big jump on that, boys! Look at straight pipe, no fucking about! Very nice. So now we're going to be doing the final welds all the way around. And he's going to be pulling my O2 sensor here, my wideband sensor here, and then my temperature sensor there. And we'll be good. Look at the colours. Woo! We've gone for a 12-inch box. Nice 2.5-inch internal diameter. And then the tip we've gone for is, I think we're going to go for this one. So it's a nice 3.5-inch. Not really. I'm going for this one. I'm going to go for a 2.5-inch roll tip, max power, eat your heart out. What are you doing here, Shaz?
Well.
Chilling. Where's the ting? I'll put the fucking microphone down. Fucking only gonna... I'm gonna fucking lost it out. That's it, we're on the final bit now. Oh. Woo! So the mic's back in now, exhaust is done. And we're ready to start. Here's the boys. Hello. Everyone hates their own voice. Right, man, to be welcoming people.
Basically, we've done this exhaust ever. Right, we're here at Midnight Developments. Today we've done a turbo back exhaust for Gaz on his EG Civic. We've done it from the turbo there, 2.5 inch. It's all mandrel bent and stainless steel. We've got the stock lambda sensor there, 2.5 inch downpipe into the flexi. Got an AFR wideband sensor there. Coming through to here, we've got a EGT sensor and the downpipe pinches here at the quick release V-band. From there, we've run a straight through midsection, again 2.5, all the way around.
What type of bends are these?
These are mandrel bends, so you'll get the maximum flow and performance from these bends, rather than being crush bent in the machines. Again, come to a quick release V-band there, so it's easy for you to get it on and off if and when you need to. We've gone up and over the axle, 2.5 inch, we've run all the way into your back box, 6 inch, 12 inch long, 2.5 inch rolled out tailpipe, keeping it nice and subtle.
There you go. We've heard the startup. It's nice and deep now. It's going to be a bit of fun. We've been here since 10 o'clock. Well, some of us was.
Yeah, I was here at 9:30.
That we know it's different because it's got it on camera and you can't lie to the camera. But yeah, we're going to drop it down now, warm it up, and then give it a few revs, see what it sounds like, and then I best get to the bank and get some money. Eh? Yeah, fuck. Just look at it. Anyway, it's been a pleasure, but I'm going to go and get some money, pay the boys, and then I'll get my ass home, and I'll see you all later. Thank you very much.